My special field is environmental sociology. It deals with the relationship between environment and society. To build a more sustainable future, we need sociological study on environment as well as natural scientific study and economical study.
Japanese constitution has a very important principle such as pacifism and the right to live in peace. And also I am responsible of global COE program on gender equality and multicultural conviviality.
We have worked for many different radar technologies, which include radar remote sensing from spacecraft to ground-penetrating radar, which we are working here to be used for groundwater survey or landmine detection.
Come on in. Well, I'm studying with a professor of astronomy in the science department, and I'm studying cosmology, which is a branch of astronomy.
टोक्यो यूनिवर्सिटी के सभी प्रोफेसर बहुत काइंड हैं और हमेशा वो डिस्कशन के लिए अपना टाइम देते हैं और हमारी प्रॉब्लम्स को काफ़ी अच्छे से सुनते हैं और उनका सॉल्यूशंस बताते हैं, नए आइडियाज़ देते हैं. सो आई थिंक बहुत अच्छा एटमॉस्फेयर है यहाँ पर रिसर्च का.
Tohoku University has a long tradition of welcoming foreign students, including Lu Xun, the great Chinese writer. It became the first Japanese university to admit women. The university has long been a cultural and educational melting pot.
I would like to share with you my own experience because I'm a relatively newcomer to Tohoku University. And my experience showed that this university is very comfortable and welcoming for outsiders. And you will have good chance to be in touch closely with the students and also faculty members and all the staffs.
We developed rescue robots of top of the world for saving human lives. For this goal, professors and students gave solutions to various problems of robotics by theoretical and experimental approaches using our good environment and facilities.
We are facing the difficulty in resolving the critical issues related to the global environment. As I belong to Department of Civil and Environmental Engineering, I strongly consider I have to develop the innovative technology able to overcome these issues.
We are studying origin, evolution, and dynamics of the present Earth by using high-pressure experiment.
Our research is focused on the development of materials and energy benign to the environment, especially the development of the hydrogen generation system from indirect water splitting based on the sulfur circulation, considering the solar thermal bioenergies.
The ultimate goal of our research is to establish and develop pharmacoproteomics. The meaning of pharmacoproteomics is pharmacokinetics, pharmacodynamics, and toxicokinetics based on a quantitative targeted absolute proteomics.
센타이는 일본 동북지방에 있는 가장 최대의 도시입니다. 인구 100만의 도시로 너무 크지도 너무 작지도 않는 적당한 사이즈를 유지하고 있는 도시이죠. 일본에서 가장 살기 좋은 도시로 유명한 도시 중에 하나입니다.
আমি মনে করি যেসব স্টুডেন্টরা বিদেশে পড়ালেখা নিজের দেশ থেকে অন্য দেশে পড়ালেখা করার সুযোগ পায় তাদের অবশ্যই সুযোগটা নেওয়া উচিত কারণ এই উন্নত দেশে অনেক মডার্ন প্রযুক্তি এবং তাদের জ্ঞানও অনেক বৃদ্ধি পাবে যদি তারা এখানে আসে
Well, we offer international students various levels of Japanese classes, and students don't have to pay for taking Japanese lessons at our university. Another service we offer you is counseling in English. If you have problems, you can come to our office and we can give you advice in English or in Japanese.
Dr. Kotaro Honda invented KS Steel here, a university honored by visits from notable scientists such as Albert Einstein.
I proposed revolutionary idea, fusion of the biotechnology and nanotechnology for fabrication of the ultra-fine defect-free sub-10 nanometer structure.
We are now trying to develop a new process to synthesize organic-inorganic hybrid nanoparticles in supercritical water, namely high temperature, high pressure condition.
This is the metal. We try to understand the reason why this metal is so hard and not soft, and heavy, not light. Once we understand the reason, we can create a harder and lighter metal than this one. Then we like to use such a metal in a variety of places. For instance, we can use it to make a lighter plane so that we can save energy.
We want to explore new physics in new materials. That will give us a technology which gives us environmentally benign and sustainable society.
Dr. Yagi and his assistant Uda invented the Yagi-Uda antenna. Dr. Niels Bohr visited the school in 1937. Dr. Nishizawa is largely responsible for current optical communications systems.
We established the research collaborating centers in the Philippines, where we are conducting the different type of researches, including the researches on pandemic influenza.
I want to make ecological studies which contribute to biological conservation and sustainable management of tropical and temperate forests.
Our laboratory is engaged in research in the fields of the neurosciences and developmental biology that is both intellectually challenging and of practical use, with the ultimate goal of contributing to the society.
Einstein's comment prompted Stephen Hawking to see the university for himself.
In my laboratories, several subjects are going on. Especially, we are very much interested in the production of span and oocyte from ES cell line and newly established iPS cell line.
My goal is to discover a drug for serious diseases such as cancer and Alzheimer's disease. I'm studying the molecular mechanism of these diseases and looking for the drug from the natural resources.
These cutting-edge researches are constantly passed down to the students of Tohoku University.
Sensei. Riset saya adalah tentang energy system model untuk developing country seperti Indonesia, di mana salah satu study case adalah tentang energi bersih seperti biofuel dalam transportasi sektor.
Intenten entender antes de venir la cultura japonesa lo más que puedan y van a tener una gran experiencia.
I love Tohoku University.
I love Sendai.
Hi, Tohoku University. Come on, join us. Welcome.